Can we start? No, it's better we start.
Yes, madam.
Um, okay, Mahindra is also joined. Okay, not an issue. We can start for the day. We're already 9 minutes late.
Yeah.
Yeah, so hi Pavan, hi Mahindra.
Hi ma'am, good evening.
Good evening. Hi Pavan. Okay, Pavan is not responding. We'll continue. So today I have something for you guys. Like it's a very basic thing, but still we should know that basic. Okay, I know this. You guys must have learned already, but still we'll have some refresh. What to say? Refreshment. We'll go back to school now. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll share the screen. So, so what is grammar? First thing we have to learn is what is grammar? Why we need grammar? So here, everything is mentioned from what to say head to toe. So it's like every name is called noun as field and fountain, street and town. Okay. In place of noun, the pronoun stands as in place of noun, the pronoun stands. Okay. I'll just go and read this, okay, and explain it differently. Hmm?
Okay.
As and she can clap their hand, the adjective describes a thing as magic wand or bridal ring. Most verb means action, something done that we have done already, right? Action. So to write and read, to jump and run. How things are done, the adverbs tell, like quickly, slowly, badly, well. And the preposition shows a relation, as in the street or at the station. Okay, we always get confusion where we have to put in, where we have to put at, and we normally tend to make mistakes on that. Mhm.
Yeah.
Just a moment. Pa, pa, pa. My doggy is here.
Oh, I can't see, but
Yeah. I just turned off camera. He was there. He just left.
okay.
He was searching me. Okay. So the conjunctions join in many ways, like sentences, words, or phrases, or and is used as conjunctions, the interjections. So there are many things, what to say, many things makes a sentences. Okay. So we says no, every mixture of everything. Okay, when this mixture is proper, then only we come out with some solutions. We come out with the right thing. If the in during the solutions or during any chemical solutions, if we tend to make any mistakes, it comes out something wrong. Yeah. So it's a better way to understand what is it and make a sentence. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's start with capital letter. We everyone know what is capital letter, when to use, why to use. Yeah.
Yeah.
So here the capital letter, use a capital letter for the first letter in a sentence. Of course, when we start a sentence, we of course would use the. You guys can see my screen, right?
Yeah. We can see.
Then,
Yes ma'am.
I will turn on my camera so that. What's wrong? What went wrong? Something is going wrong. It's okay. I can't. I also have turned off the camera. That's why maybe. Okay. So when a sentence when we start a sentence, there the first letter or the first alphabet should be in capital letter. And whenever we use I anywhere in the sentences, it should be capital. Okay. I should not be small. Yeah, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll turn on the camera because now I'm feeling like I'm teaching the wait. I'll turn on the camera. I will not get the confidence to teach you guys. Yeah. Still I can't see you all. Yeah. Okay. So whenever we start a sentences, the first alphabet, first alphabet should be capital. Whenever you use I anywhere in the sentences, in any middle, end, at the beginning, wherever you use I, it should be capital letter, no small letter. Yeah, only
Yeah.
I, not for ice cream or nothing. Ice, that should be small letter. Only when we say I. Okay, when we say I, for that we have to use capital letter. I am 26 years old, so I will start with I, capital I. I like ice cream. That would be the small I. Yeah.
Okay.
So the other one, whenever you use any names of, when you use any names of the person, place, festival, holiday, anything, it should be in capital.
Okay, ma'am, can you share that page?
Oh, sorry. I thought I am sharing. I'm sorry, guys. Now you can see. Yeah. So whenever you start any name, it should be capital letter. Any name, place, animal, things, festivals, holidays, week, month, year, anything. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think Pawan left. Yeah, you saw just now. See, here is some small exercises, very simple exercises, where where there should be capital letter and there should be small letter and all. So we can do the small exercise.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So circle the letters that should be capital, then write the correct letter in the space above them. Okay, fine. We will read the sentences. Minor, read the first sentence and let me know which all alphabet should be in capital letter.
Peter and I are good friends. P is the capital letter.
And I should be capital letter.
Okay.
Yeah. Next one.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. We are going to Chicago during our summer vacation. We, W is capital, and Chicago, C is capital.
Yeah. Okay. Summer vacation. I don't think there is no use a capital letter for festival, holidays, week, month, or year. Okay. So summer is fine. Yeah. Next one. Mahindra.
Yes, ma'am. There is an interesting football game
Oh,
on Sunday.
yeah.
T, T is the capital letter.
And
And football F.
no, Mahindra. Did you read here? Use a capital letter for festivals, holidays, day of the week, month of the year, like New Year's Day, Christmas, Labor Day, Mother Day, Sunday, Monday, Friday, January, March, May, June, July, August. All the or any of the month or any of the year, any of the week starting Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whichever should be, it should be the first alphabet should be capital. So here.
Okay, ma'am. Sunday is the cap. Yes.
Mhm. Yeah. Okay.
Now me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Jason lives on Thompson Avenue.
Mm-hmm.
Jason J, and Thompson T.
Yeah.
And even I think Avenue also
Avenue
A.
A would become
Yeah. Okay.
would becoming A. Yeah. Next one.
January is the first month of the year. J.
Okay. Look at the sign on the left. Can you find the mistake? Write the names correctly. Can you?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Hopkins Hotel. H should be capital. It's a
Yeah.
name.
Yeah. Mahendra. Mahendra.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
Hopkins Hotel.
Hopkins Hotel done, Mahendra. Next one.
Orchard Street.
Orchard Street. So O should be capital.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
in Botanic Gardens, B should be
B should be
capital.
capital.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
In Lincoln School, L
School
should
L should be capital.
yeah.
Newton
New
Road N should be
L should
capital.
be National Library, N
Library
should
N
be
should be
And
capital.
capital.
Okay. So we'll go for nouns. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, common noun. So there are two types of you can write this down. Okay. Nouns are divided into common noun and proper noun. Common nouns are the words for people, animal, place, or thing. These are the words for people. They are common noun. Last sentence you need not have to write. The first one you write. Nouns are divided into common noun and proper noun. Common nouns are the words for people, animal, place, or things.
So we start
Once
to
done.
write. We start to write down now.
Yeah, you write this much. The one I highlighted, you
Okay,
take it
okay,
down.
okay. Just wait.
Once finished, let me know.
We done, ma'am.
Done, Mahindra?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so below that, write about proper noun also. Proper noun are names for particular people, place, or things. They always begin with capital letter. Write this much also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these are two types of nouns, proper noun, common noun, and pronoun nouns, right?
Yeah, proper noun and common noun.
Done.
Done, Mahendra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we will
Yes, ma'am.
first learn about common noun, okay? So, in common noun, any name, any place, people, name, place, animals, things, people, these all are covered in the common noun. Like, for example, you can see artist. Okay, artist, many are there. Okay, that group.
Okay.
Okay, but when we are telling about one person's name, I don't know any artist's name. You guys know anyone's name? There was one painter. Sorry, I forgot his name.
Yes, ma'am.
M.F. Hussain.
Yeah. So if we are specifying someone's name, that would be proper noun. When we are saying artist or painting artist like that, so that would become a group. So that would be a common noun. Girls would be a common noun. Rakhi would be the proper noun. Understanding the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when we say actors, become a common noun. Deepika Padukone becomes a proper noun. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here are some words for common noun like actor, aunt, baby, baker, cook, dentist, doctor, giant, lawyer, judge, man, nurse, police officer, singer mainly. Singer, there are many singers. It's a common noun. When you say Muhammad Rafi, yeah, Asha Bhosle, that becomes the proper noun. Yeah, singer,
Yeah, yeah.
soldier, teacher, astronaut, clown, acrobat, they all are common noun.
Yes, ma'am.
For the people, okay, when we are talking some anybody, any person related things, people related, okay. Other word for astronaut is spaceman or spacewoman. Oh yeah, that's fine. So there are words
Yes,
for
ma'am.
animals. They are also common like eagle, zebra, deer, bird, crocodile, bear, cat, dog. So if you say about dog, so that would be a common noun. When you say Tommy, it would be proper noun.
Proper. Yeah.
So cat, cow, dog, dolphin, duck, fish, goat. These all are common noun. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Then we come to the
Yes,
places.
ma'am.
So in places, when we say beach, it would be common noun. When you say marine drive, it would be.
Proper noun.
When you say park, it would be common. And when you say
Common.
hanging garden, it would be proper noun.
Proper.
Yeah. Shop, of course, common noun. When you say any specific, for example, DMart, Big Bazaar, yeah, it would be
Yeah. Proper.
proper. Yeah. So airport, market, mountain, church, playground, farm, restaurant. Restaurant is of course a common noun. When you say specific any name, Taj, it would be common, proper noun. Yeah. School, hospital, seashore, hotel, stadium, house, supermarket, island, temple, island. There are n number of islands. When you say Andaman Nicobar, it would be a proper noun. Mhm.
Yeah.
Lakshadweep, proper noun.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Temple, proper noun. Siddhivinayak, sorry, temple, common noun. Siddhivinayak, proper noun.
Proper noun.
Yeah,
Proper noun.
yeah. Temple, common noun. Shabrimala would be proper noun.
Proper noun.
Yeah.
Proper.
Mall, zoo, and we come to the things section: bed sheet, basket, drum, cake. When you say cake, it would be common noun. When you say chocolate cake or red
Yeah.
velvet cake, it would be proper noun.
Proper noun.
Blanket, gate, chair, bag, kite, box, ladder. This is all everything we use in our day-to-day life, right? Egg, door, watch,
Yes, ma'am.
window,
It's common
rug,
noun.
desk. These all are common now.
Yes, ma'am.
So you understood what is common noun, Mahendra?
The names which are used commonly, like gates, bus, uh, proper nouns are which we will keep the names properly to a
Yeah,
thing.
right. Yeah, right.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Suchitra, it's clear, I hope. Mahendra, clear?
Yeah, yeah, clear to me.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, there are some, of course, there would be some exercises for you guys to understand what is common and what is proper. Yeah, this is only for common noun. So
Okay, ma'am.
read, the,
Yeah.
Mahendra, read the first sentence and let me know what all are common noun in this.
There's a little bird in the garden.
Mm-hmm.
Bird and garden are common noun.
Okay, great. Uh,
Who is your teacher? Teacher is a common noun.
okay, okay.
Don't eat that rotten apple.
Rotten apple. Yeah,
Apple is a common noun.
yeah,
Kate has a lovely doll.
mm-hmm.
Doll.
Yeah. So doll would be the common noun. So Kate would be the proper noun because Kate is
Yeah.
a person's name.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Next.
like reading stories. Stories is a common noun.
Mm-hmm.
My father is a doctor. Doctor is a common noun.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Every child has a dictionary. Dictionary is a common noun.
Child is also a proper noun, a common noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Rudy hates bananas. Bananas
Yeah. And Rudy.
is a proper name, no?
Yeah. The phone is ringing. Mahindra.
Ringing phone. Phone
Ringing
is
is
a
the.
common noun.
Okay. So what is ringing?
Common.
What is ringing? The phone is ringing. Phone is a common noun. Correct. What is ringing?
Common noun.
No. It's a verb.
Yes, ma'am.
Why I said it's a verb?
It is a
It is a
This is the
action.
action.
action word.
Yeah. So
Yes.
ringing would be
Verb.
here is a book for you.
Book.
Yeah.
It's common.
Yeah. So here is a mixed bag of words. Put each word under its correct heading. So I want you to make 4 columns and divide everything accordingly. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
now you don't discuss. You just put it down. Once done, let me know. We'll discuss, and you only decide how much is right and how much is wrong.
Okay,
So
okay.
for you need example. People, animals, place. You have to put them in the correct column.
Yes, ma'am. No need, ma'am. No examples. We will only do
Okay.
it.
Okay. Do it and let me know.
Yes, ma'am. Clown means what, ma'am?
Joker, Joker, clown, Joker.
Yes, ma'am. Or ma'am.
Done, Suchitra?
No, just give me 1 sec.
Okay.
Yeah, done.
Yes. So, I'll tell the word one by one. Tell me which one, in which column you have put them. Okay. So we'll start
ma'am.
with swimmer. Mahendra.
People.
Okay. Suchitra.
Yeah, people.
Okay. Right. So both got 1 point. Letters.
Things.
Okay. Mahendra.
Things.
Okay.
Yes, things, ma'am.
Okay. If it is wrong, you have to accept the wrong. Okay. No cheating.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Mountain. Mahendra.
And places.
Okay. Great. Suchitra.
Yeah, same place.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. Okay. Granny. Anyone
People.
can answer. Yeah.
Granny, people.
Okay. Snail. Mahendra.
Animal. Sorry.
Okay. It's okay. It's
Snail,
okay.
animal.
Okay. Flag.
Things.
Okay.
Black things.
Okay. Fox.
Animal.
Okay.
Fox animal.
Taxi. Okay.
Things.
Taxi, thing. Thing.
Okay. Fire engine.
Thing.
Thing.
River.
Places.
Place.
Yeah. Yeah. Hotel.
Place.
Hotel, place.
Gardener.
People.
People.
Okay. Clown.
People.
People.
Barber.
People.
People.
Parrot.
Animal.
Parrot, animal.
Camel.
Animal.
Animal.
Great. Great. So this was very childish. Game, but it was still fun.
Yes, ma'am.
It's needed. It's needed for exercise.
Yeah. Yeah. So this was all about common noun.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So next is proper noun. We have to take proper noun also. Do we need to take
Yeah.
it today itself? There is nothing big. There's nothing big in that. When you mention anybody's name or any place name, hotel name, anything, it would be proper noun. So it always should start
ma'am.
with capital letter.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. So my dog's name is
Yes.
I have a doggy. His name is Dusk. So Dusk would be the proper noun.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I have 2 kittens. One is Kitty and one is Bitty. They're also proper noun.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Yes. So here are some names: Alibaba, Florence, what?
Nightingale.
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 Yeah, Nightingale. Dead Jeter, Pollen, Johnny Depp, Patrick, Harry Potter, Pinocchio,
Pinocchio.
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 Robin Hood. These all are extreme.
Proper name.
Proper noun.
Your own name and the name of your friends are proper nouns too. Okay. Wow. That was something. That was something. Okay. So when you say the name of the country and their people are also proper noun. Like you say America, American, that is proper noun. Egypt, Egyptian, proper noun. India, Indian, proper noun.
Indian. Yes, ma'am.
Italy, Italian, proper noun. Thailand,
Yes,
Thai, proper noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Japanese, Japan, of course, proper noun. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are some
Yeah, yeah.
country
Yes, ma'am.
and their place name. Yeah, that is very. That's fine. America, Americans. Egypt, Egyptians. India, Indians. Italy, Italian. Japan, the Japanese. Korea. Okay, see the difference. Japan, the Japanese. This is how they are called. Yeah, Korea, Korean,
Yeah, yeah.
Malaysia, Malaysians, Pakistan, Pakistanis, France, the French people. Yeah, right. The French people. We never say the Indians, but we say the French people. Yeah. Thailand, Thai.
ma'am.
So this all are this all come under proper noun. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So even the name of the town, cities, buildings, and landmarks are also proper noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Great Wall of China, Statue of Liberty, Tokyo, Sydney, London, Denver, New York, any
Yes,
park,
ma'am.
Central Park, Eiffel Tower, everything is proper noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, when it comes to
Days and
days,
months.
the days of the week and month of the year are also proper noun. Yeah. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is also proper
Yes, ma'am.
noun. Jan, Feb, March is also proper noun. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. The names of the mountain, sea, river, and lakes are also proper noun. Yeah, Mount Everest, Nigeria Falls, the Thames, Lake, Michigan, the Alps, the Dead Seas. These all are proper noun.
Yes, ma'am.
So here is some tips they have given. You often use the before names of the oceans, rivers, seas, and range of mountains. Okay, like the Mount Everest. Yeah, the Thames Bridge. Mount
Yes, ma'am.
means mountain is often used in the names of the mountains. For example, Mount Everest, Mount St. Helens. So written the short form of Mount is
Yes, ma'am.
MT. Hmm?
Okay. Empty.
Yeah. Here
Yes,
comes
ma'am.
the festival. Of course, festival is also proper now. Name of the festival is also proper now. Now, Gudi Padwa is coming. Padwa is coming.
Yeah.
Ugadi is coming. Right,
Yes, ma'am.
Mahendra?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
You're from Karnataka, right, Mahendra?
Ye- Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So Valentine's Day is a proper noun, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Halloween Day, New Year's Day, Christmas, Mother's Day, Memorial Day, April Fool's Day, Labor Day, Thanksgiving Day, Independence Day, St. Patrick's Day. This is all a proper noun. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So here are some more examples. I mean, some more exercises. We'll complete this also. So noun chapter would be
Yes, ma'am.
finished.
Completed.
Yes. So underline the proper noun in the following sentences. We'll start with Suchitra.
Yeah. July is often the hottest month in summer.
Yeah,
July, say, is a proper noun,
yeah.
and you can say summer also, no?
Yeah, I guess
Summer,
summer is
winter, yeah,
also.
summer, winter, spring.
Yeah, I
So
guess,
yes,
but I'll
summer also.
confirm about this. I'm
Okay,
not
wait.
sure if I mean climate is here. They are not mentioned any climates. I mean, I think it would be included because here days are there, month are there, year is there. So I think it is there. But let me confirm about this. Suchi, just give me a reminder on this. Huh? I'll just have a research
Yes,
on
ma'am.
this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So July is the proper
Yeah,
noun.
proper noun.
Yeah. Okay. Next, Mahendra.
One day Alibaba saw the 40 thieves hiding in a cave.
Hmm.
Alibaba.
Yeah. Next.
Sean and Ashley are going to the beach for a swim. Sean
Mhm.
and Ashley is already there, means capital letter, sorry, proper noun.
Yeah. Yeah. There is one common noun also in this.
Yeah, it's a beach.
Yeah. Next.
Mr. Lee is reading a book. Mr. Lee
Mm-hmm.
is a
Mm-hmm. Is a
Mr. Lee is a proper noun and reading is a verb.
okay, and a
Verb.
book.
Book common noun.
Good. Next, Suchi.
I'm your fairy godmother, said the old woman to Cinderella.
Hmm.
So Cinderella is a common,
Hmm?
sorry, proper noun, proper. Cinderella. Then
I was
godmother,
also nodding. Yeah, yeah. I am also nodding like this only.
and godmother also. You can say godmother also, no? Proper.
Godmother would be common noun, I guess. Fairy
Because she didn't give the
godmother.
name. Okay.
Fairy godmother, godmother, it doesn't have any name, so it would be common noun. I'm not wrong. If I'm not wrong.
They mentioned fairy, no? So
Yeah, maybe proper
okay.
noun. Fairy godmother. Let me
Yeah.
check one minute. Let
Yeah,
me
yeah.
check about that also. Yeah. Fair.
Fairy and summer.
Yeah. And one more is there. Old woman.
Yeah, old woman.
Proper. Now let me. I'll just confirm noun or else I will forget.
Yeah, yeah.
Fairy godmother. Fairy godmother. Fairy godmother is they are showing only as a noun in this definition. Traditional story. How to pronounce? Yes, what does pronunciation in English? Okay, dictionary. Fairy godmother. They are just telling about it's a noun, but they are not telling about
Okay.
proper noun or common noun. Still,
Okay.
I'll confirm it with my teacher
Okay.
also. Yeah. So
Okay.
two things I have to confirm: one summer and one fairy godmother, right?
Grandmother. And even you said old woman also.
Old woman. Old woman is a common noun.
Okay. Okay.
There are many old women. Even I guess fairy godmother is a common noun itself. Pronunciation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think so. Godmother. Yeah, just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. I've
Yeah.
found something. Okay, I'm not getting it. I'll check and let you know.
Okay. Okay. No
Okay.
issue.
So, in this, old woman is a common noun,
Common and Cinderella is proper.
proper noun. Okay. Yeah. Uncle Mike is a lawyer. Yeah. Tell me, Mahindra, next.
Uncle Mike is a lawyer. Mike is a proper noun and liar is a common noun.
Lawyer.
Uncle too common, na?
Uh-huh.
Uncle.
Lawyer. Uncle is a common noun. Mike is a proper noun.
Yes,
Lawyer.
ma'am.
It's lawyer. Law. Mahindra. I'm
Yes,
telling
ma'am.
you the pronunciation. Lawyer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me,
Lawyer.
lawyer. Yeah, lawyer.
Lawyer. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. Okay, next.
Next Tuesday is a public holiday. Tuesday is a proper noun.
Yeah, public holidays are common noun.
Holiday is a common noun.
Ah, yeah,
Many
next.
children enjoyed the movie Lion King.
Yeah.
Lion King is a proper noun.
Mm-hmm.
Movie is a common noun.
Mm-hmm.
Children are also common noun.
Children. Children's is a wrong.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
children
Children.
already is a pronunciation, so we'll never say children's. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Wow. One more exercise. There are many exercise. Wow. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Look at the word in the box. Which one are common with noun and which one are proper noun? Put each word under the correct heading. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
You guys are writing it down or just telling to me?
Better to tell, no?
Yeah, no problem. Tell.
Yeah. Lisa is a proper noun.
Mahindra?
January is a okay. Okay. Next you tell.
Bank is a common noun.
Mm-hmm.
Doctor is a
President
common
total
noun.
is a
Arre,
proper
one
noun.
by one, one by one, one by one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. January?
Mahindra, na?
No, you Suchitra, you tell.
Okay. January is a proper noun.
Beach?
Beach is
Mahindra?
a common noun. Common noun.
Okay. Okay. Doctor?
Common noun.
Okay. Month?
Month. Common noun.
Okay. President Hotel?
Proper noun.
Okay. United Bank?
Proper noun.
Okay. Hotel?
Hotel. Common
Common
noun.
noun.
Okay. Dr. Wang?
Proper noun.
Proper noun.
Sorry.
White.
Yeah, proper noun. Right.
Yeah. White sand beach.
Proper noun.
Okay, great. So yeah, we are clear with proper noun and common noun. Yeah.
Yeah.
So write C for the common and P for the proper of the blank for the given each noun. Okay. So this I'll give you as an homework.
Okay.
Not for the capitalize the word and all. That's okay. For this,
1 to 10.
write C for the common and P for the proper on the blank given. So dash
Yeah.
the White House. So is it a common or is it a
Proper.
proper? That
Yeah. P.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So no, that's a homework.
Okay.
So both of you write the sentences, solve
Okay.
it, and send the pic and group. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Just
Write
wait.
it down
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Guys, I have
Yeah.
checked about summer.
Yes, ma'am.
So here
Yeah.
they are telling the word summer is a common noun, a word
Yes,
for
ma'am.
any summer.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. The proper
Yes, ma'am.
noun is a name of specific. Yeah. What this what is I have received when I checked on Google.
Yes, ma'am.
Summer is summer a proper or common noun? Summer is a proper noun as it is a specific season. Arey yaar. I'll just confirm. This is they are not giving no. Some are telling it's a proper noun. Some are telling it's a common noun. I'm not sure. Wait.
And what's this Oregon Trail? Is a name?
Yeah.
Okay. We done, huh?
Yeah, okay. So I'll close this. Next is singular noun, plural nouns. Yeah, this will cover tomorrow. This is also easy part. Still will cover it tomorrow. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.